So let's draw Kim Dokja. So let's draw him. That's everything what I want to tell you. We're gonna start from eyes. Just straight line here, making a distance. It's one eye. You can make it smaller if you want. Eyes in the same level. You know, so we're going down here and making thing like this, going here, making it again. Okay, we have done it. So let's make a hair. I know it's a little bit weird, but we need it. We're gonna draw the hair. After we're gonna paint it, if you want it, of course. If you don't want it, you can just leave it. Here we're making eyes. The eyes, it's the most important thing when you're drawing human. So let's make a nose as they're making it in manhwa. Like this. And add some details here as a shadow. Okay, we have done it. So let's make a jawline. Here we have done it. Make the same distance a little bit bigger. Here we have made it. Eyes have end here and here. A little have little distance from eyes, as you can see, you know. Here we're making straight lines till the nose, a little bit higher when we start this line, and make a straight line right here. That's it. So we have made the face very fast, as you can see. Maybe it's too fast. So without mouse, because in manhwa I take the picture from that place, so I will just copy it. I will add some my details to make it maybe not the same as it was. So here we have to make ear. Am I saying it right? Or I made a mistake, I don't know actually. So we are making the hair again. Here we have the circle. You have to make here a circle, and you should to draw with this circle. Not a bigger, not a smaller, just with this circle on this level, as you can see it. Kim Dokja, manhwa ending. Yeah, I have waiting a lot of new pictures too. I want to read all, on a one time. Holy shit, I have made a little mistake. I have go too under. Okay, we have done it. Here we should to make some details of this close. Going here and here like this. Yeah, we have done it. Going under, making some details here and here. Here we should to make it just one straight line. Here going a little bit under. To make it, I'm using usually the mini straight lines, as I'm telling it. It's easier if you don't want just straight line with instruments. You can make it like this, because I think it's more natural. It's important to me. You're making the codes close, it's wide, pretty close. We had. You have to do like this. Going under. This thing is going like this. Going here. Making this stuff again. Going like this. And doing the same thing as it was here. Same distance, same things, the same shape, everything is the same as it was. As you can see, it's triangles, you know, you have draw the triangle, that's everything what we have here. And the cool stuff of drawing Kim Dokja, they usually don't draw the hands because it's too hard sometimes when you don't have a lot of time, but they are really drawing so good. I cannot explain it how they are doing so fast and so good in the same time. They're drawing a lot of pictures in 1 week. It's unbelievable, I would say like this, really. I cannot imagine it. I cannot explain it. To me, it's unbelievable. Here we should to make this straight line, lines again. Everything in drawing, it's just lines. You have make just one connection, you know. Drawing, it's just making lines. Someone can make it prettier, someone can make a little bit worse, maybe. But I think it's normally everything you need to practice, so everything is good, everything is normally. You just need to try and try again, and you will have a success. Just adding some details here, going down right there. Here is the hand, going under, adding details, and we should to draw the pants. As you can see, we haven't done it. Here is going down and down again. Here when end hands, we have to draw belt. Here we're gonna make a shadow. Belt here. Here I'm adding some details, making clothes more natural. We will after add some details, add some shadows, so picture gonna be more prettier, unfortunately, but you know, that's it. I think we are close to end. Kim Dokja, it's not he's not pretty as Yoo Jin-hak, but you know, we will draw him after some time. Just give me some time. So, okay, we have done it. I will just paint it. I will add some details. That's everything what we need right now. So, I think we have done it. You should to just make a shadows. You know, as like this. Just needs a lot of time. So. We have done it.